So Microsoft just released the first Redstone build for Windows 10 Mobile. This is easy from onetechstop.net, and here's a quick hands-on video. So the first build for Redstone, which is scheduled for release later this year, is here on my Lumia 950 here. I have that installed from the Fast Ring Windows Insider. I'm just going to run through some of the new features coming with this new build. First off, let's go into the dial pad. I am using the display being scaled down to the absolute minimum. So as you can see, if I click on the dial pad, my keypad now is much larger. Unlike on the regular build, when you go into your keypad, you can see the difference, how small it is. It also scales down your dial pad. Microsoft did fix this problem with the latest 14.6.7 build, Redstone build on this device here. As you can see, the dial pad is now much larger, easy to use, and that's the first improvement, I would say, with Windows 10 Mobile. Also, if you got a dual SIM phone, Microsoft added the ability to use, you can now use your visual voicemail there. It's not activated. If you use like a non-branded AT&T phone, for instance, like the 950 XL, visual voicemail was not enabled. You had to download like a third-party voicemail application. But now Microsoft has integrated natively the visual voicemail into non-branded Lumia 950s, 950 XL. So now that is activated. You can use that with the latest build. Really important, Microsoft did bring back the Insider Hub. As you can see it here, just gonna launch it. The Insider Hub is kind of like your notification center as a Windows Insider. This is where you get your latest news on latest builds, or just random stuff as a Windows Insider. You wanna visit this regularly. It shows you what's new with latest builds and stuff. So there is the Windows 10 Universal app. The Insider app is now back on Windows 10 Mobile. You have your announcements, you have alerts, you've got your profile here. You can see stuff. You can leave feedbacks and stuff. So it's nice to see the Insider Hub is back on Windows 10 Mobile. It comes with the latest build on the Fast Ring, which is the 14.2.6.7. Next up, Microsoft returned the music tag button. You see it in a bit here. I'm just launching Cortana for the first time. Just gonna go through this real quick. Turn it on. Go through all these settings. Let's launch Cortana again. Wait for that to load up. So as you can see on the top right here, Microsoft returned the music tag, music search button. If you look regular build, it is missing. It's actually my birthday. It's nice. So you can see the music search button is missing in the regular build here. To access it, however, you first have to activate the listening mode in Cortana. Then you can see the music button, then you have to press it. So that's really it's not a nice way of doing things. So Microsoft returned to the traditional way, where you can just go into Cortana and have quick access to the music search button right there at the top. So that's a good feature, return to Cortana with the latest build. Next up, Microsoft made it possible to use the workflow keyboard in Edge. Most of the improvements with this build actually come with Edge browser. I can go in here and I can go Yahoo and it works. So .com, for instance, whereas on the 10.5.8.6 build, as you can see, there is no workflow keyboard. So it has been activated with the latest build. You can just do Gmail. You can see Gmail right there. .com. So Wordflow has been activated in the Edge browser. A bunch of new improvements with Edge also. You can go into your tabs view, and you can see you can have access to the in private tab, where you can open up a new in private browsing page. Quick access right there from the tab view, and you can click on it right there and it opens it up. Next up, there is now the option to choose when you want files downloaded from the Edge browser saved. For instance, I can go to let's see, what can we download real quick. Go to vlc.com. No, I guess it's vlc.org. Not sure. I'm just gonna search for it. videolan.org. Open that there. So when you click on download, you should get the option where it asks you where you want that file saved to. So there, do you want to save it? Say yes. It says downloading. So actually, let's see, I think it says download. You can, however, let's see if I can change that setting here. Go into view private. I'm trying to see where that setting is. Go back. So it says always ask me what to do with downloads. For some reason it is turned on. I don't know why, but usually with the new Edge browser in the latest build, let me see if I can try that again. Let's see, what else can I download real quick. Can't think of anything. I don't know. Try Putty. Go to see if I can download. Download. Click on download here. So there it says, what do you want to do with the file? I say save. So I'm not sure. It should ask you where you want that file saved. But yeah, that is another option with the Edge browser. I have to take a deeper look and see what's going on there. Next up, Microsoft returned if you go into your people application, you can click and you can see now the history tab has been returned. You can see recent conversations, communication with a particular contact from your people app. Unlike on the regular build, that feature is still missing, although a lot of people have confirmed this update does come to non-insiders. I haven't gotten that update yet, but yeah, that is a new feature. It is app independent. It doesn't actually come to just the Redstone build, but that's a good addition. Next up, another app independent update is the addition of the emojis. So you can actually now see your Skype emojis, have access to them here. They're all loading up, fully animated and everything. So gradually Microsoft is really integrating Skype into the messaging app, and the longer we wait, more features will be added, and eventually we will not need that independent Skype app, because it's absolutely horrible right now. But Microsoft is hands on deck with the integrating Skype fully into the messaging app, so bear with them on that one. This update, however, is independent of the latest insider build. So I'm guessing that is it with the 14.267 build. Most of the features, like I said, came to Edge browser. Inside the hub, as you can see, is back, and that is, we expect more features to be added. Microsoft confirmed they're now really working on adding more stuff. More builds will be released at a faster pace, so if you have a spare phone, this would be a good time to be one of the first to test out the new features coming to the Redstone build of Windows 10. So yeah, that is it. My name's Easy. Look forward to more videos with latest builds coming up. And again, thanks for watching. Bye.